Holacracy has definitely changed my perspective on motivation and where it should come from. It is a Greek term that means power to everyone. And to me, it means I have a voice and power to make informed decisions, discuss them with my team, and implement new ideas in my work. And trust me, not many organizations let you do that. Also, Holacracy allows me to get involved in other areas of the company and gain other skills. I feel like Holacracy lets me bring my mastery in my role. I am trusted to be creative in managing my workload and making decisions. I am more motivated to work towards my goals, and that makes me more successful in achieving them.